Hey there, seafood enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into a bowl of deliciousness? Today I'm sharing a rich and creamy lobster bisque recipe that you absolutely need to try. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 bottles of clam juice, 2 cups of dry white wine divided, 4 medium lobster tails, 2 bay leaves, 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter divided, 1 medium yellow onion chopped, 2 carrots peeled and chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning or Old Bay divided, 5 garlic cloves, finely chopped and divided, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 sprigs of tarragon plus more to serve, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of sherry vinegar, kosher salt to taste. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by combining the clam juice, 1 cup of white wine, and 3 cups of water in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat. Add in those beautiful lobster tails and bay leaves, cover and steam until the lobster tails turn a vibrant red. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the lobster tails are cooked, remove them from the pot but keep the stock. When the lobster tails are cool enough to handle, remove the meat from the shells. Now return those shells to the stock and let it simmer for another 20 minutes. This will intensify the flavor. Strain the stock and set it aside. You should have around 4 cups of this liquid gold. Now, in a Dutch oven over medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Toss in the onion, carrots, celery, and 1½ teaspoons of Creole seasoning. Cook these until the veggies are soft and golden, around 5 to 7 minutes. Add 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic and cook until fragrant, about a minute. Stir in the tomato paste, making sure to coat all the veggies. Sprinkle the mixture with flour and cook until the raw flour smell is gone, about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in the remaining cup of white wine and let the mixture simmer and thicken. Gradually add the reserved lobster stock and bring it to a boil. Add the tarragon sprigs, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until it's slightly thickened, around 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the mixture from the heat and take out the tarragon sprigs. Blend the mixture in batches until smooth and return it to the Dutch oven. Stir in the cream and sherry vinegar and warm over medium-low heat. Meanwhile, in a small skillet, melt the remaining tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Add the last finely chopped garlic clove, the reserved lobster meat, and the remaining 1/2 teaspoon of Creole seasoning. Cook until the lobster meat is heated through, about 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt to taste. Serve the bisque topped with the warm garlic butter lobster and a sprinkle of fresh tarragon. Love this recipe? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Get ready to indulge in a bowl of this aromatic, creamy classic. Whether it's a sophisticated first course or a soul-warming compliment to a grilled cheese sandwich, this lobster bisque is sure to wow any guest or palate. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.